In this video I'm going to show you how to add music to Instagram post. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And to be able to creating post with music I need to use some video editing application. I like CapCut, and once you are installed CapCut, tap plus icon and then tap on photos to select some photo. And now my photo placed on video row, so we're gonna create some video with one single photo and with some audio. And to add audio, tap here on plus and add audio text, and here you can select between sounds, effects, extracted or even voice over. I'll select sounds, then R&B, and there tap on plus icon to add the song that I like. So now we can adjust position of the audio track like that, tap and hold and move to the left or to the right. And now you see that the length of the audio track is bigger than length of your photo, so you can tap at the edge of the video track and drag it to the right to make audio row and video row the same length. And once you're done, I tap there on that button to export that video, and once it's ready I can tap there on Instagram, open Instagram, and now I can make a post to Instagram, to story or to feed. I'll select feed, select that video, tap next and share that post. And now I can continue creating that post as you normally do. I can add some filters here, add some caption, tag some people and so on, any options that you want. And once you are done, tap share to post this video to your post feed. Basically it's photo with audio. So now you know how to add music to Instagram post. Make sure you like this video if it was helpful for you and don't forget to subscribe.